Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use your Google or Gmail offline mode on Chrome. So let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. I'm just going to go ahead and use a different one, but it doesn't really matter. You can do the same thing on any browser. Simply go ahead and search for gmail.com. Just like that, and then click on the first link of Gmail right over here. Then once you're logged in, click on the top left triple lines icon, and you want to simply go ahead and look for settings. If you don't find it on this side, it's definitely going to be on this side. So click on the settings tab, and now you want to simply go ahead and click on see all settings. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and look for the offline tab on the top right and enable offline mail. And there you go. You can simply go ahead and click on keep offline data on your computer or remove offline data from your computer. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.